Hello everyone and welcome back to EduFuse. So today we're going to follow or continue with exercise 2. So exercise 2 goes thus. 12.25 grams of potassium chlorate decomposes as follows. Potassium chlorate gives potassium chloride plus 3 oxygen. So in this question they're asking us to determine the volume of oxygen released at RTP. So RTP here means the room temperature and pressure. So in this solving, you are going to take volume at RTP. Volume at RTP equals to 24,000 cm cube. Volume at RTP is 24,000 cm cube. RAM. Take the RAM of potassium. Here you have potassium. RAM for potassium to be 39. Chlorine to be 35.5. And oxygen. And oxygen to be 16. So in this case, we have potassium chlorate. We all know that oxygen is prepared industrially in a laboratory by the decomposition of potassium chlorate. So potassium chlorate decomposes as follows. Potassium chloride plus oxygen. This reaction is catalyzed in the presence of manganese for oxide as a catalyst. So oxygen is released as one of the byproducts. Potassium chlorate remains in a round bottom flask. So in the solving of this exercise, the given mass for potassium chlorate have been given to us as 12.25. Here we have potassium chlorate. The decomposition goes thus. So we have potassium chlorate that decomposes to give potassium chloride plus oxygen. So thank you for following and watch more on EduQues. Thank you.